That one, Sasha.
Put your hand out.
See, that one's got a big beak too.
Go ahead, Sashi. Get close to it. Did it hiss?
It is. Yeah, you
No.
go close to the dog.
Here comes one.
Just go close to that dog and see the dog. No, put your hand. Like, go actually step near it. This one got me to me.
Make a pal, Sasha. Don't just throw it on the ground. Make a pal.
Do not want to get it with the eat out of your hand. Come on, I want to say. Come on, please.
Sasha's scared.
That one wants to eat out of your hand.
That was going you were good. Let's try to beat her in.
Come on, that one likes you, Sasha.
Yeah.
That one likes you a lot.
Oh, I like you too. Now, come here. Come here. Let it out of your hand.
Let's pet it.
Try to pet it. Let it out of your hand, Daddy. It didn't bite
I'm
me.
all about
You do it.
You do it. Sit over here.
You do it.
My pants won't live. Look at that cookie.
Come on, let it eat out of your hand. Put your hand straight.
Hands out like that. Like you do a horse.
Don't bite.
Careful, don't move. Don't
It's
move.
scared of you, Bill.
Stop
It's
moving.
seriously scared of you.
Stop. No, let it out of your hand. Oh.
Here. Come on. Not beat it in. Come
Come
on.
on, Ducky.
Here.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, Sasha. You bring her out of the way. Where?
I don't like that big ass dog.
Sasha.
Stop it.
That's what I got beat in.
Get that paw right there.
Come on, get out here.
Duck food. I want to go feed the swine.